So welcome to Mostar. I'm actually in Hostel Miram, and this is really great location. It's actually 3 to 5 minutes walk from a bus station and train station, but public buses is right across. That will take you to many of these attractions, so you can do it on your own. In fact, it only costs 2 marks for each way. On top of it, if you like to walk, you'll be surprised. Most of the attractions, such as the old bridge, the clock tower, and so on, it's about 10 minutes away, and it's surrounded by great restaurants and bars and so on. Now, another great thing about here is the fact that the breakfast is actually included in the price of your room or your bed. But let's go and check out the rooms and other amenities that they offer. So this is a great option if you're a budget traveler, a dorm. They offer very comfortable bed with a very thick mattress. The linens is included, and you can ask for towels. Every single bed have a sign locker, so you can put your belongings and valuables away. As well, all the rooms has a window to get some fresh air, and as well as AC in the summer and heat in the winter. If you do need a little bit more privacy, here is a great option. It's a private room with a large, comfortable, big bed. This room also has window, as well as a little space for you to do your work. So, one thing you'll find that this hostel is extremely clean. The staff do a really good job of keeping it that way. And also what's important to me is really clean bathrooms and 24-hour hot water.